This is a review of the JohnBee 2-pack glass bottles in pink and green, and I guess it's more of a sage green. And these glass bottles are 16-ounce sizes each. They're glass. They come with these cute little colored silicone stands for the bottom, and that is supposed to be safeguarding the bottom of the glass. I also am looking forward to the fact that it's two different colors, so that way I can remember which one has cleaner and which one has water. It also comes with a convenient little funnel, so when I'm adding, liquid such as water, vinegar, and so forth, I don't have to worry about whether I make the hole or not. It's also nice because easily attach the sprayer. The sprayer does go to the bottom, and it does have on off and whether you want stream or if you want more of a misty spray. I bought these because I am wanting to have a spray bottle for water for my plants, so then that way it's not leaching plastic in there. And then I also wanted to have a glass bottle for homemade cleaners. So I am very much looking forward to using these tonight.